If you're interested in becoming a professional jet broker, go to jetlifeaero.com/sell jets for more information. This is just a piece of our online boot camp and our in-person boot camp to help you get successful ASAP as a professional jet broker.
Yep.
Okay. So what does this look like when you fill it out? Like I mentioned, the greeting. Hey, Bob, Tom, Jet Life Aero, good morning. Good morning. The reason for the call is I wanted to see if you'd be in the market for an upgrade on your Citation Excel. If I found you the perfect replacement and I could bring you a retail buyer for 986 Delta Sierra. No, I'm not really interested. Those are the objections. Now, these objections, they're not true objections. They're what we call reactionary defense responses. They're the time when you go into Best Buy and someone's like, hey, can I help you? You're like, no, I'm just looking. You probably went to Best Buy for something, dude, okay? Whether it's a video game, batteries, TV, you're probably there for some reason. You just don't want to talk to somebody right now.
Yeah.
Okay, you're interrupting this guy's day. So the RDR is just a push-off, and it usually only comes down to 3 different things. I'm busy, I'm not interested, or I love my jet. And so it's your job here to kind of figure out what it is and respond appropriately. So if they're busy, you can say something like, no problem, I'm with you. Other than right now, when is a better time for us to talk? All right. If they are not interested, no problem. I hear you. The number one rule, and it says that right there, is always agree. Interested, no problem. I hear you. Most people on calling today aren't interested because their wife won't let them sell the jet. Is that a problem for you too? No, I could sell my jet if I wanted to. Great. And now we've transitioned into the fact-finding part. Okay. Or, no, I'm not interested. I love my jet. Great. I love to hear that. Sounds like you got her really dialed in. Hey, are you a pilot yourself? Chances on the Excels and the bigger bodies, they're probably not pilots, but they might be. And so it might still be worth it asking. Or, hey, sounds like it's really, dialed in. How long have you had it for? Or what's the last upgrade you did to it? Something like that just kind of transitions into some sort of a fact finding. So that's where majority of your stuff will be when you first start out.